Hello, everyone. This is Donna Maddox from Financial Planning Resources with an educational economic update for November 2020. This month's video discusses some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in October. I'll also be providing some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Inaction on a fiscal stimulus bill and rising COVID-19 cases both here and abroad put pressure on stock prices in October. The Dow Industrials, which have lagged much of the year, dropped nearly 5%. The S&P 500 fell about 3%, while the Nasdaq slipped a little more than 2%. The theme moving markets was the new fiscal stimulus bill, which many believe is needed to keep this recovery moving. When talks appeared on track, stocks rallied. When negotiations broke down, however, stocks fell. As hope for a stimulus deal faded, a surge in COVID in the US and Europe added to souring market sentiment. As the month came to a close, many companies reported solid earnings for the third quarter, but the market seemed overwhelmed by macro issues, with selling accelerating in the final week of trading. The election results have taken center stage this month. Should President Trump get reelected, investors would expect him to follow similar policy initiatives during his second term. If former Vice President Biden wins, investors may be listening closely to public statements and potential cabinet appointments to gain insight into his policy priorities. Regardless of who wins, the market may eagerly await signs of the timing, size, and elements of a new stimulus measure, as anticipated for several months. That's it for this month's economic update. Once again, this is Donna Maddox with Financial Planning Resources, signing off for the month of November 2020. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call. We'd be happy to visit with you. While we believe that the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. No investment strategy can guarantee a profit or protect against loss in periods of declining markets. The indices mentioned here are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly, and past performance does not guarantee future results.